Welcome back to our weather unit. We had a chance to read your questions on Padlet, and a lot of you asked the question, how is hail formed? And how can hail balls be formed when it's not freezing outside? For the rest of this unit, we will be concentrating on answering your questions. Let's start with what we learned last week. We learned that hailstorms also have rain and wind. Look at that wind. We also learned that some of the water that fell to the ground was cold enough to freeze at some point before it fell. And someone asked, how can it be hailing when it's not freezing outside? We also learned that clouds move in and out when it hails. In this video, we saw before the hailstorm it was sunny, during the hailstorm it got cloudy, and then after it was sunny again. You also had some ideas for what to do next. Many of you said that you couldn't see the hail very well, and you'd like to look at some pictures of hail to learn more. A lot of you noticed that some of the hailstorms were in warm places, so today we'll find out more about where and how often hailstorms happen. Here's some important vocabulary you'll need today. Hailstones are what we call hail. Frequency means how often. Let's go over today's assignment. On the document, you'll notice that blue are your tasks for your first day and green are your tasks for your second day. You're almost done watching our video introduction. First, you're going to brainstorm what data we need to answer all of your amazing questions. Next, we're going to observe some hailstones to help us answer more of your questions. Look at the pictures and write at least 3 things that you notice or wonder. You can click here to see the pictures bigger. Next, go to our Padlet and share one thing that you observed about hail. Your last task for today is to analyze hail frequency on a map. This will help us answer some of your questions about where and how often it hails. Remember, frequency means how often. Look at the map carefully and then answer the questions. Don't forget to reflect on today's learning targets and then stop. You don't need to do anything else today.